Welcome to our detailed comparison of the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 motherboards. Both of these motherboards are designed for AMD Ryzen processors and offer a range of features that cater to different user needs. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your next PC build. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is an ATX motherboard, providing a larger form factor that allows for more expansion slots and better spacing for components. This can be beneficial for users looking to build high-performance systems with multiple GPUs or additional hardware. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is a micro ATX motherboard, which is more compact and suitable for smaller builds. While it offers fewer expansion slots, its size makes it ideal for users with limited case space or those who prefer a more streamlined setup. One of the standout features of the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is its integrated Wi-Fi 6 capability, which provides faster wireless connectivity and improved performance in crowded environments. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize wireless connections. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS does not include built-in Wi-Fi, which means users will need to rely on a separate Wi-Fi card or Ethernet connection for internet access. When it comes to expansion options, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers more slots, making it a better choice for users who plan to add multiple graphics cards or other peripherals. The larger ATX form factor allows for better spacing and more room for additional components. Conversely, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2, while still offering dual M.2 slots, has fewer overall expansion options due to its micro ATX size. This may limit future upgrades for users looking to expand their systems down the line. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 motherboards offer excellent features for their respective form factors. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require more expansion options and don't mind a larger case, the B550-PLUS is a strong contender. However, if you prefer a more compact build with integrated Wi-Fi, the B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.